All right, now let's determine the unit rate from a line on a graph. And if we're going to have a line on a graph, first things we need is a graph. So bear with me while I draw myself a graph on my whiteboard here, using my very pretty small pink level because I don't have a ruler apparently. I'm going to have to get one of those. Let's just clean this up a little bit here. And of course, before we can draw our line, we need an XY axis to work with. And now finally, let's give ourselves a line that we can determine the unit rate of. And let's not forget our arrows because a line goes on forever in both directions. So when we're determining the unit rate, we want to know when x goes up by 1, what changes in y. So x goes up by 1, y goes down by 1. X goes up by 1, y goes down by 1. So because y goes down by 1, every time x goes up by 1, our unit rate is -1. Let's look at another line. Let's try another example. Now, when x goes up by 1, y goes up by 3. Or when x goes down by 1, y goes down by 3. So as x goes up by 1, y goes up by 3, so our unit rate is 3. Let's try just one more here. Now, x goes up by 2, y goes up by 1. Or x goes down by 2, and y goes down by 1. So now our unit rate is 1/2. So every time x goes up by 1, y goes down by 1/2, or x goes up by 2, y goes down by 1.